Okay, today we're talking about CloudFormation roles and capabilities. So first of all, let's talk about CloudFormation roles. Here's why you might want to use this. Let's imagine you've got a user and you don't want them to give them permission to manually create resources, but you do want to give them permission to be able to create those resources using a CloudFormation template which you've given them. You can create a service role which they can use with CloudFormation and give that the permissions to administer EC2, for example, and S3. And then with the template, they can create those resources, but they can't manually go and create those resources. So they have to do it in a way that uses CloudFormation at the very least. Capabilities is essentially, you can think of it as like an extra security check when you're going to be doing things that involve creating IAM permissions. So there is capability IAM, which allows you to create and modify IAM resources, and capability named IAM, which allows you to create IAM roles and users that have a specific name. There's also capability auto expand, which allows you to deploy nested stacks. Here are some notes on all that. Until next time, enjoy the cloud.